Did you know that 99% of affiliate marketers fail to make significant income? Shocking, right? In this video, we'll uncover why this happens and how you can avoid being part of that statistic. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting products and earning commissions. Its popularity has soared because it offers a flexible income opportunity, but with great popularity comes significant challenges. So, why do so many affiliates fail? First, there needs to be more proper training. Many must fully understand the market, products, or audience. Second, unrealistic expectations play a huge role. People often need the necessary work and patience to expect quick riches. They get discouraged and give up too soon. Peer pressure is another significant factor. In the affiliate marketing industry, there's a constant barrage of success stories, creating pressure to replicate those results instantly. This can lead to poor decision-making and the adoption of strategies that must be more sustainable and suitable for long-term success. To succeed, you must resist this peer pressure. It's crucial to stay true to your goals and values. Focus on your unique path and strategy. Consistency, patience, and authenticity will set you apart from the 99% who give up too soon. Affiliations fail mainly due to inadequate training, unrealistic expectations, and peer pressure. Stay focused, be patient, and be true to your values. Success in affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Have you faced peer pressure in your affiliate marketing journey? Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on succeeding in the affiliate marketing industry. See you in the following video. This is Scott. Peace out.